What's up, guys? Kevin here. So sorry if my throat or my voice sounds bad. I just got over a strep throat, but I want to make another video. So today I'm going to be going over how to see the best ad examples in your industry or niche, or basically anybody who's looking to see Facebook ads. Maybe you haven't tried them yet and you want to see what some look like, or whatever your reason. I'm going to show you how to go find ads. I'm going to show you two different ways. One way you can see a little bit kind of how they perform, but it's still up in the air. And then the other way you can't see it all, so you don't know how well that ad performed at all. So the first way is kind of the older method, which is still really good and useful because it's easy to find stuff that's categorized. So you go to adespresso.com/ads examples. Or just Google ad espresso ad examples, and it should be like the top link. So what this does is you can search by like a certain text. It's like a Google search bar, search for whatever. Or you can search by industry, by objective, and then by like, this stuff, whatever this is. So industry is probably the main one you'll be doing. So, I mean, let's say you're going to do a car shop or sell cars or do something related with cars, and you want to see ads about cars just to see what they look like, see what the other people are doing. So you can go to adespresso.com, add examples, go to car industry, find ads now. Of course, it's probably going to take like 6 days to load. Here, let's just switch it to all, and let's try to search for car and see what happens. The loading. It's so crazy. Every time I make a video, something like this happens. Every single time. It's been working fine all day. This is wild. There we go. Okay. So here we go. So you can see BP, whatever that is. We guarantee you to sell your car. Okay, so it's somebody that sells your car for you. Kia in Singapore, Esurance, Cadillac, Kia, Chevrolet. So these are mainly the big players in the car game, but you can see what kind of ads they're making. So helpful. Car and Driver, Anygator, yeah. So that's for credit score. Sometimes Ad Espresso is a little bit off with what they pull up, but you get the gist. You can basically pick any industry, and look for ads and see what other people are doing in your industry. Now, the second way to do this is an update that Facebook just rolled out, which is super helpful for marketers. So let's say, same thing, you were going to sell cars. Let's just look up car lot. I don't know. Let's see. We're going to go, so search whatever you want. Go over to pages. Let's look at Tommy's Auto Sales. Let's see if they have any ads. So search what you want, click on pages, find, whatever page, a really good rated page, because they're probably killing it, and they probably have ads. On this left side, you're going to see info and ads, so they actually don't have any ads. So let's go back. Let's go to somebody that I know is going to have ads. We'll just look up Kia again. Pages, Kia Motors of America. I know Kia is running some ads. So once again, on this left side, usually the very last tab is going to say info and ads. And if you click on that, it's going to show you every active ad Kia is running, even if you don't fit into the targeting for that ad. So let's say normally I wouldn't see this. I can go and do this way and look at it and see what it looks like. So now I can look at all these Kia ads. Let's say I wanted to start a giant car brand that was going to compete with Kia and Chevrolet and all that. I can see what kind of ads they're running. Now, although I would be in a much different step of my business, so honestly, that actually wouldn't help me. That's kind of a bad example, because you wouldn't be running ads like this. You would be probably running like brand ads that are going to get people to know what you're about. But let's say you're doing like, let's say you're starting an online pet store. So let's search for pet store pages. Exotic fish and pet. That sounds cool. No ads. Okay. You're not trying to sell anybody any exotic pets? Kind of bummed that you're not. PetSmart. Surely PetSmart's running some ads here. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Man, I'm about to go get all these people as clients. This is wild. Freaking PetSmart isn't running ads? Alright, let's try PetSmart in Lexington. Wow. What are they doing? Sorry, I run an agency full-time. Well, I don't run an agency. I work at an agency right now full-time, and we specialize in Facebook ads. And it's crazy to me to see these multi-million-dollar brands not running Facebook ads at their local level, just because you can get so unique and personalized with the community that you're around and just have huge ROI on your ads. And it's just crazy to me. They're probably still taking out freaking magazine pages and radio ads and stuff, which I'm not going to diss all that stuff, but I'm just saying that it's moving into the digital world. The attention is, obviously. All right, here we go. They got to be running ads. Sorry, it took me a second to get here, but I know you're kidding me. Okay, the Philippines, whatever. We're going to pretend we're in the Philippines. We're starting a freaking all-natural pet store. So we went and found some of our competition. So this will be our competition here. Went over to info and ads, and now we're looking at their ads. So they're only running two. One of them is to like their page, and the other one is just looks like it goes to like a blog. So I need them as a client. None of these people know how to run ads. So sorry, I couldn't find any of the best examples for you here. But yeah, you get the gist, basically. So go to whatever niche you're in, search up here, find the page, find some competitors' pages, and if they're not running ads, that's even better, because although you don't know what their ads look like because they don't exist, now you can run ads, and you're probably going to outbrand them in no time, unless it is like PetSmart or something like that. But if you were starting an all-natural pet store, you could probably easily outdo them and take a lot of their business, basically. So that's it. So that's 2 ways to find ad examples. So first one was AdEspresso, ad examples. You can just Google that or go to this link right here. Second one was inside of Facebook. Now that they did that update, just type whatever niche you're in or competition that you're wanting to see. Go to their page, go down to info and ads. It'll show all their ads, and you can see what they look like. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you next time.